In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google to use QuickBooks for managing your expenses effectively. We'll dive into how you can go about entering your transactions in QuickBooks with ease, ensuring that everything is logged accurately for your bookkeeping needs. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. You'll want to have your browser open, and once you do, type QuickBooks into your search bar or go directly to the website if you have it bookmarked. You'll be prompted to log in if you're not already. Always make sure you're on the correct site to keep your information secure. Once you've logged in, you'll see your QuickBooks dashboard. It might look a little overwhelming at first with all the features available, but don't worry, we're here to focus on managing expenses and bills. Navigate over to where you see My Apps on your dashboard. This is a convenient section where you can access different tools and features that QuickBooks offers. Look for the tab that says Expenses and Bills and click on it. This is the hub for all the financial transactions related to expenses, so it's a place you'll get very familiar with. After that, you'll see another option, Expense Transactions. Go ahead and click there. Now you're in the heart of where you'll be managing your expense entries. With the Expense Transactions window open, you'll notice there's an option to create a new transaction. Click on the button that says New Transaction. This is where you'll input all sorts of details about the expenses you need to log. You can enter pertinent information such as the payee, which is the person or entity you've paid, and select the payment account linked to your financial institution. Make sure to choose the correct account because that's critical to maintaining accurate books. Next, you will input the payment date and the method used, whether it was a bank transfer, credit card, or any other method. Lastly, you'll enter the reference number if applicable and add details about the item or service purchased. Don't forget to record the price of the item as this will be reflected in your total expenses. After you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to double check for accuracy. This little step can save a lot of headaches down the road when reviewing your financial reports. Once you're certain everything is correctly filled out, click Save. This will add your transaction to QuickBooks, keeping your finances up to date. And that's it. You've successfully entered your expense transaction in QuickBooks. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it, and it's invaluable for keeping your business finances organized. Whether you're doing this on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, this method will help ensure that all your expenses are accounted for. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy accounting.